Good morning, students. Today we will see how to make this particular model by using Fusion software. Already we did models in the lab, and in the video tutorials I have mentioned already some exercises. The same way we have to do. Let us see how to make it. I am selecting the front plane. Now in this model we have to create this base 120 by 15 mm rectangular block over which we have to create this particular curve, the cut. Let us see how to do it. Create, sketch. I am selecting a rectangle. It is supposed to be 15 dimension, and this length is 120, and from one edge to these holes it is supposed to be 60. That's it. After finishing this, now we have to create this hole which is having the base of 30 and the height of 35 mm. I'm creating one more rectangle, base of 30 and the height of 35 mm. This is supposed, this is still 30, and from one side to this hole it is 15. Sir, and we have to create a circle at the top. This will be 30. We can remove all these inner lines. We have created it, and in the sketch it is showing one more bigger circle which is having a diameter of 60 mm or radius of 30 mm. We have to create it, and it should be connected to the base with the same center. It's supposed to be 60, and then I have to create a line from the center, a straight line. Similarly, from the center, a straight line 30 mm. And then I have to create a vertical line from here to the down 20 mm. Similarly, from here to the down 20 mm. Now I can remove all these excess lines. We removed all the excess lines. That's all. I have finished the sketch. Now you can see this surface. And this is the surface is supposed to be extruded for 40 mm. So I'm extruding it for 40 mm. Now the diagram is over. Now on these two surfaces, I have to create a circle. So I'm going for create sketch again in the top surface. Selecting a circle at the center and drawing it for a diameter of 15 mm. So this is supposed to be 15 mm, and then I am selecting this line, this edge to repeat sketch dimension up to this center. It is supposed to be 20 mm because the total size is 40. It is at the center. Similarly, from this surface to this center it is to be 15 mm. Same way, I am creating one more circle from here. Sorry, I am creating one more circle from this same center line. Here, it is supposed to be 15. And from this edge, sketch dimension up to this 20. Similarly, this edge to this edge is to be 15. After finishing this, we can select the finished sketch. Now we have to select these two surfaces and we have to go for extrude, but not in this direction. If you extrude it, it becomes solid in the upward. There is no use for extruding in the upward direction. We have to extrude in the downward direction, which will make it as a O. That's all. We finish the sketch. Suppose if we need to make any colors on it, appearance, we can select. In the faces, we can select, and we can select some of these paint tools, powder coating or paint. It's green, this is red, similarly this yellow, you can select it. I'm selecting this yellow for this surface and for this surface and for this surface. Okay. Next, for this surface, I'm creating the appearances again. The green, I'm providing it. Similarly, I'm providing the green on both sides. Green on, sorry, it is supposed to be the surface. Green on both sides. Selecting the red for the front portion. That's all. We finished it. We can save it as print screen with Windows as a screenshot. Also, we can save it as Fusion file. Export. Again, I'll tell you. The file, export, and you have to select the location where do you want to save. I'm saving it as exercise 2. Save. Yes. Export. That's all. We saved it. That's all. Thank you very much.